Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session we are going to see how to use variables and global variables using Asterisk Dialplan context on Rocky Linux 9.4. Asterisk can help you define your own patterns for call flow that will help regulate any unforeseen changes and optimize your communication system. Asterisk can use global, shared, and channel-specific variables for arguments to commands. There are variables that Asterisk automatically introduces. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. I am using Rocky Linux 9.4. Now I am going to show the status of Asterisk by using the following command. We can see the Asterisk service is in active and running state. Next, I am going to use variables and global variables on Asterisk's Dialplan context. Before that, I am going to show the endpoints and Dialplan. For that, I am moving to Asterisk directory by using the following command. Now I am going to show the endpoints in the pjsip.conf file by using the following command. Here we can see two endpoints 167 and 168. Next, open extensions.conf file to edit the dialplan using variables by using the following command. There are two types of variables: global variable and channel variable. First, I am going to show how to use global variables. Global variables are variables that don't live on one particular channel. Here we can see variable ring time is used as common variable for all channels. Now save and exit from this file. Next, enter into Asterisk CLI console and run dialplan reload command to apply changes made in extensions.conf file. Dialplan reloaded successfully. By this way you can use global variables on Asterisk Dialplan context. Next, I am going to show how to use channel variable on Asterisk Dialplan context. For that, open extensions.conf file. Here we can use channel variable to increase ring time for specific dialplan. Here we can use channel variable to increase ring time for specific dialplan. I have used channel variable only for 167 extension. Now save and exit from this file. Now go to Asterisk CLI console and run the dialplan reload command. By this way you can use variables and global variables using Asterisk Dialplan context on Rocky Linux 9.4. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.